Meet Patrick, a man who likes to do everything for himself in an effort to spend as little as possible. Here is Ducky, his friend of many years.
What the? What is that? What is it? Patrick!
Wait!
What, man? There, man. I come from the supermarket. And I wonder where you are doing for house top.
Hurricane season. Me have to prepare for it. Me no want to leak like last year.
You know, sir, roofing on my thing. And you don't even say a word to me?
Money a beat me, Ducky. Me no want disrespect you, man. Me no want you come work and me not have the money to pay.
Man, type of foolishness. I need this, you know, man. I need this. Me soon come. Me put on that thing and come.
All right, I hear you.
We don't have any water here in Kirstead for about 3 days now.
3 days?
About 3 days. No.
Yeah, but you haven't heard any reason being given? You don't know why you just don't see no water in the taps? Yes, here you know, you see the in the background.
Next thing you come on.
Hey, what, man? You alright?
Kind of stupid question that. Call the ambulance, no, sir.
For what?
You can't get up. You know, see me drop off of your rooftop.
So ambulance no cost money. You have money to pay them?
Then you go pay them, sir. No fear work me that do. You calling them or you not calling them, sir?
Me a try a thing, hold on. Hello? We have an emergency. Yes.
Meet Dorothy, Ducky's wife.
So what we're going to do?
What do you mean by?
How we gonna pay the bill?
Oh, I tell Patrick to deal with it. Remember, say I feel he roof me drop off for you.
But I'm not hear from Patrick now. I may get a call from the hospital say 50 grand gone on. And you know that make 150 now. Where we gonna get the money there from?
Talk to Patrick. Call Patrick.
Oh Jesus, you know just hear me say me call him and him a go like him busy. Well, Jason gone over there for talk to him.
Jason? But why?
What you mean why? Jason our son said all right for him go easy with the man.
Alright.
If you offer to assist your neighbor to do some work on their property and you're injured, the party who is responsible is not a black and white answer. It could be that you're both responsible, or it could be that you are solely responsible, or it could be that your neighbor is fully responsible. It depends on the circumstances.
This is Ducky's son Jason. He is about to carry the torch for his dad.
So it's not I you hire him? No, sir. It's past your father passing and decide to help me fix the roof. His fame unwillingness get him up there. Put him drop off for the roof? Yes, by accident. I know me push him off. I know that. Put him drop off for your roof. Not for your roof, not for him roof. Your roof. So what you implying, sir? I'm not implying anything. All I'm saying, my father drop off for your roof and broke him back and you will have to take responsibility. Listen, not tell me rubbish. Your papa pass and see me on my rooftop at fixing. Him decide to come help me, me never call him. So now him drop off, can't be my responsibility. Hey, I want you to take your time with the noise, you know. Me now hold on no vice. This a family property. If a money you look, you come at the wrong bank. So we must left with a big medical bill? That's not my business. So you're not helping with the bill? How much is the bill? The bill that we receive is 150. 150 what? $150,000. You can help you with $5,000. For what? That is when you and him having a drink. I'm talking about $200,000 to settle everything. So you send your papa go up at Echelon Hospital and come and try with me out? You're not getting a dime out of it. You make my papa go up on your house top and drop off. You will have to pay the medical bill. I'm not paying a red cent. You will have to pay. You go and pay. Not even a shilling. For me to find 200 grand. You're not get a dollar out of me. Dark face. You can't do something for me? I'm gonna try to rip me out. Alright. Me a come.
If you get the wrong persons involved in a dispute, you could be making it worse, turning a simple disagreement into an all-out war. Understand your position in a dispute and choose your options carefully.
Papa, you sure when you take it upon yourself and go upon your stop?
Is that happening?
Me coming from up by Patrick, and him not taking responsibility for anything. I told him about the bill, and he behaving like a fool.
So, him not offering nothing? Not even half?
Papa, it's 5,000 him offering. 5 grand.
Well, Andy, 5 grand for what?
Papa, we have to get an attorney, or else I will have to resort to something else.
Calm down, Jason. Mind what you say. But I do agree with the lawyer part.
But for what? What we going to sue for? And who is going to pay the lawyer?
Ducky, you can't take this line down.
And me can't get up, so what me fi do?
Sue the man. Jason, I make it clear already.
With what? When me I got to sue him?
Can guests who are accidentally injured on your property sue you for the injuries that they sustained? The simple answer is yes, they could. We have under our law something called the Occupier Liabilities Act, where all occupiers of property can be held or may be held responsible for your injuries. Again, it depends on the circumstances as to how much or whether that responsibility would be shared.
Hello? Who is this? Who is this? Mr. Who this?
Is what, Jason?
Someone I warned about taking money from Patrick.
What you mean, Wanya? What you mean?
It mean that somebody are threatening him. Where them say? Hold on. You sure say it's not that same Patrick and this guy's in vice?
No, Papa. It's not Patrick. It's not Patrick.
Then I could have who?
After the break.
Patrick! You have strength to say man on my yard, but you don't have strength to face me.